MIT Startup Exchange was created about 6 years ago within MIT's Office of Corporate Relations to help advance exchanges between the more than 1,900 MIT-connected startups and over 230 corporate ILP members and Global 1,000 corporations throughout the world. How can you engage with startups? Well, one way is to attend events like today's. But in addition, the ILP program directors can assist making introductions. ILP member firms have access to the STEX 25 Accelerator Group. These are industry-ready startups. We've had a new group join just last summer, and just unveiled in November the latest cohort. Finally, you can post opportunities, challenges for startups, where they can apply and see the best fit to help you solve some of the challenges you may be facing in your industry. And now on to our first Startup Lightning Talk. Here to tell us about the firm Meter, the next generation volumetric imaging for manufacturing inspection, is Eduardo Torrealba, co-founder and CEO of Meter.
Hi, my name is Eduardo Torrealba. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Meter. At Meter, we're making volumetric imaging technology more affordable and accessible than ever before. Volumetric imaging is commonly used in high-end mission-critical applications, like inspecting aerospace parts or medical devices and medical implants for patients. However, the technology is too difficult to use and much too costly to be applied to most manufacturing applications. At Meter, we've developed brand new technology that allows us to build hardware and software systems to greatly increase accessibility to volumetric imaging. Using volumetric imaging, we're able to inspect more common parts, like this cast alternator housing that we picked up at a local auto supply store. With volumetric imaging, we can create a high-quality external scan of a part, like you see here on the left, as well as we can look at all of the internal details and reveal previously invisible manufacturing defects and porosity that might otherwise go unnoticed in a typical manufacturing application. To learn more about how we're creating these data sets and what we plan to do in the future, I hope that you'll be able to join me for my full talk tomorrow. Thanks so much.